Welcome to your English Learning Adventure channel. Today, we are going to learn and practice everyday action verbs. In English, watch. I wash my hands before every meal. Brush. I brush my teeth in the morning and before going to sleep. Scrub. I scrub my armpits to remove any dirt underneath. Bathe. I bathe with soap and water to stay fresh. Comb. I comb my hair to keep it neat and untangled. Blow. I blow my nose into tissues when having catarrh. Cover. I cover my mouth when I cough or sneeze. Dispose. I dispose of used tissues in the trash bin. Change. I change into clean clothes after playing outside. Hydrate. Don't forget to hydrate. Eat. I eat a balanced diet with fruits and vegetables. Flush. I flush the toilet after you. Remove. I remove my shoes before entering the house. Played. I play outside with my friend after studying. Clean. I clean my room every day. Wash. I wash the plates after eating. Avoid. I avoid touching my face with dirty hands. Read. I read bedtime stories before going to sleep. Use. I use hand sanitizer after shaking hands. Watch. I watch cartoons on the weekends. Stay. I stay indoors during heavy rain. Excuse. I say excuse me to get someone's attention. Share. I share toys and snacks with my friends. Read. I read my books every day. Listen. I listen attentively to others. Do. I do my homeworks before playing with my friends. Iron. I iron my clothes before wearing them. Help. I help my mom in the kitchen whenever I'm available. Wear. I wear my sunglasses before going out in the sun. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.